Today we will be demonstrating how to change a Masterflo2 cartridge. Toolkit needed. Water pump pliers. Step 1. Turn off the municipal water supply to the installation. Step 2. Remove the faulty Masterflo2 cartridge. You may need to use a suitable wrench. Step 3. Make sure that all the threads are clean from remaining debris. Step 4. Lubricate the O-rings on the cartridge with a mild dishwashing soap. Step 5. Align the threads on the cartridge to the brass body and assemble. Step 6. Only hand tighten the new cartridge into the body. Step 7. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. Enjoy your pressure installation. Cobra, the brand you trust.